Alright, she's rolling. Almost forgot my camera. We're back at another Loaf and Jug station to film another FasTrak, and it does have the same jars, same kind of jars as the last one. I should have got my camera back at the gas station. Okay, oh, there's a cone by the truck. There's no cone next to the wash. There's a cone right there. And a shopping cart.
Hello, welcome to our car wash. Please select your wash or enter your code now.
Let me refresh the chat. There we go. Basically the exact same setup. Same dryers, same prices, same everything. I get my wallet back out now.
Hello, welcome to our car wash. Please select your wash or enter your code now. Please add payment for your selection.
Oh, what the? There you go.
Please check your card orientation. Stripe to the right.
I like how it tells you that.
Would you like to have a receipt? Please wait while your card is being authorized. You have purchased the Works Wash. You may enter the wash if it is ready.
I like how it tells you if you have your card in the wrong orientation and tells you the right way to put it in. Little peep. No, I just didn't put in my card correctly the first time. I thought I did. Phone's still doing okay. Alright, I'm gonna try to get a shut off the undercarriage this time. Have to put in manual focus. There we go. That startup noise is funny. It like folds out and then it folds back in again. Very nice. Might be the best tri-foam coverage I've seen all day. Seems louder than the other one. Now it's saying clear coat again. Clear coat and protectant. Yeah, that stuff's like gray, so I don't think that's spot-free water. I'm gonna arm my windows. Jeez! The whole machine just jolted. It's like a high pressure spot freeze. Those always trip me up. At least the dryer started up slower, and this one's moving this time. Wait, where's my dryer timer? Oh, there's that guy behind me this time. Alrighty. Well, that still seems like a decent wash. For the most part, anyway. Alright, I'm gonna park into this little spot to figure out how to get to the final wash, the mystery wash, because my original directions aren't really helpful anymore. Okay. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. That'll be it.